First take a cap of paint, then take a nail with a safety towel, because we are going to heat it. So for safety precautions you should take a towel like I have taken. Then burn a matchstick. You can also take a candle for it. Then heat the nail and then just make holes into the cap of the paint bucket, and then make a little big hole in the center and many small holes. Now I've taken M-Seal that is also used for many purposes. It's just like clay. Now I'm going to just mix both of them together, and don't forget to mix them well. Mix them till their color get black. Then you have seen I have just put the pipe inside the cap and also the M-Seal. You can see you have to put the same way I have put the M-Seal on the cap along with the pipe. Yeah, and make sure that you put M-Seal both the side, because the fountain can also break, and you also make sure that you use M-Seal, because if you use any other thing your pipe can also break and there can be water leakage. Just take a motor. It's not important to have a new motor, it can be a old, and just put the pipe. You can see a rubber pipe. Just put the rubber pipe inside the pipe and make sure it comes from up as you've seen. Then I've used some stones as you can see for decorating it, and also for stopping the pipe that is along with the motor. Now you have seen I have put some lotus on it. They are not real, as you can see, they are artificial. Now you can see I'm just putting the tape on the cap along with the lotus so that the locusts do not fall with the force of water. I took some. Now you can see how well it is done, and I hope that you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And this is the fountain that you can make at home and also use for decorating in the gymnasium.